Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll try to add a section wherein we will take a look at how to finalize the model. It will include saving the model, loading the model, and using the loaded model to score some of the predictions and to get some predictions. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we will add a section as always. Finalize model. Let's take it. Yeah, it's visible. Next, we will name the model. Let's say model name equals CPU ERP.pickle. Why pickle? Because we are going to use a library which will be pickle library. Import pickle. Loaded. We'll move to finalize model. Then pickle.dump. We will pass in the model that we have computed so far, which is this model, linear regression model. Next, we will pass in an option to open the file with the model name, and the specific setting in which we want to open the file, which would be RB. So if I open the file section and I run this cell, pkl.dump, it's not loaded yet. Pickle PICKL. Okay. It cannot read because it does not exist. It's WP. Yes. So if I now open the files, you'll see this ERP pickle 652 bytes. Now I load the model. Loaded model equals pickle.load. Now here I'll open the file in read-only mode. Awesome. The file is loaded now. Next, I'll use that loaded model to score our test and print the score. How to find the result? By default, the score method gives us the result of this R2 score. I'll also pass in the by test, and I have to make a prediction. Yep. 0.96, which is the same as this earlier with the scored model, with the trained model. So that's a brief on how to save, load, and use the loaded model. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.